legend in the making. I'm a captain and they loving me. I play the game like Salile, but the star is me. Standing O, pat on my back like I'm 1EV. Young, wild, free, keep it balanced, that's how Sonny be. I got into rap just for the sport, man. Nowadays I'm rapping for my core fans. Same blueprint, different floor plans. Guns, knives, swords, lyrically I go to war, fam. Said that I'm the king of rap and I'm in it. Put the city on my map and change the map in my city. I'ma build the empire, ain't no cap and I'll get it.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, guys. Well, today I'll be voicing over this vlog for y'all. So basically this is Sonad Water Farm, the one I've been telling y'all about on my social media. So this is a vlog of last year when they had their annual auction. So this is basically the morning of the auction. So in this video you'll get to see basically how the farm looks like and all the amazing animals will be showcased. So this is basically the entrance of the farm, and look at all these cars that pulled up. This is not even half of it, okay? This is just the morning. More cars are definitely gonna be in the video. So I took a little walk just to see, everything, just to showcase like how beautiful this farm is. And I haven't been here at the time in a couple of years, so I was pretty excited. And you can see my uncle, he's already up and busy and getting everything organized, making sure that all his bulls and his cattle and his all his livestock basically are up and running.
Oh, breakfast lunch.
At the farm, my uncle's auction. He's calling me. Walk over. Drive by. It's a drive by. Okay. He's the man himself. My uncle. Say hi to the people. He's vlogging. I'm not. Which way am I supposed to walk? Oh, that sounds very dangerous. So dangerous. I'm gonna go. So this is where everybody's gonna come and register. Let me show y'all the registration girls. But the auction starts at 11, by the way. I think it's gonna be like 9. I might be lying, but good morning, registration girls.
Good morning.
How y'all feeling?
Great.
Oh, cute. Let's move closer. Okay, so these are a nice fat sheep. They're gonna be on auction as well. Let's see, setup. All of this is just like at the farm. It's like there's a distance. People are gonna be coming in over there. The main gate. People are actually arriving. So anyway, let me show you all the cows. The prized possessions. I'm not afraid of cows, but you know, this is a bull. These are bulls. He doesn't look friendly at all. Look at his face. Because you know you're about to be sold. People are here. I don't know how secure this is for me to climb on. And also I'm wearing white. Oh, let's see me though. That's me. Featuring the cows. Okay. Let's go to the other side. Guys, don't mind my shiny face. It's winter, so petroleum jelly is your best friend. It's my best friend. So, besides, my skin is glowing anyway, so probably just jealous y'all don't have this melanin. Also, there is food being sold, so I'm gonna actually walk over to that area. Guys, people are gathering. Anyway, guys, okay. I actually have to run an errand. Steve, I can't go now. Isn't that Steve? That looks like Steve. Is it not Steve? Look at him, look at him, look at him. The approach. What's up? Say what a feature. Oh my gosh, my brother. What you looking at? Huh? You can't see me. That's the whole point. Oh, going this way. Oh my gosh. This is dangerous. Oh, there's a gate. I don't know why I thought there was no gate. Whoa, there's another gate. That way. Oh, I'm short. I don't have to bend. Oh, you guys are gorgeous. Look at the kids. Okay, I made it. Now I can go back. How do I get out? How do I get out now? I'm ready to get out. He's not happy. Okay. This is all the goods, guys. Moro moro. Thank you. No. Here we go. Okay guys, so this is like the food section. It's a vlog. It's a vlog. It's a vlog. It's a vlog. I'm gonna say hi to the people. Say hi to the people. Oh, more guests arriving. I'm with the Gary. Can I see? Come bring no got so you guys can get your breakfast, your lunch. What name? For now. Okay, Mary, she's my mom, Brian. I'll be back. Let's show you all the entrance. Okay, so this is the entrance. And as soon as you come in, it's just beautiful and green. And like, it just more people, more food. This happened. This walkable grass, guys, or is it just for decoration? Shit. The back of the house is even fucking better. Here we go. That's the tour, guys. Because I cannot stay there like this. I need to find a container I can put it in. Look at me plotting to drink. No, I'm not supposed to be drinking. I'm supposed to be working. But I am working. I'm vlogging. You know? This is my work. Anyway, let's save the storage for later. Man of the hour. Beautiful.
Ladies and gentlemen, 28,000. 28 Israël. 28 Israël. Wat er nog?
Damn. Damn. Nice. Down. All these cars. Wait a minute. Kamu kuranda di no. Going once. Yeah. Everybody's here already, so nobody's really registering. This is how it looks like. So that's all. I may back up and not scare the babies. It's just me, guys. Okay. This is so pretty. Ubi, why you making him like that?
Me.
Say hi to the people.
Hi, I am your boy Mooks.
This is my handsome cousin Mooks, guys.
I'm the one responsible for the meat and everything else.
Bruh, you only came back now, bruh. What do you mean? You weren't here the whole time. Do not be flexing for the people. See, guys, it's so pretty. The kids are playing. And then, our lovely auntie over here. What?
I'll come there.
Come back where?
When I'm done.
Okay. So this is how it looks like. Yeah. Say hi to the people. Hi. Hi. Okay. Different angle.
What's up? I'm back, bitch. I'm back. What do you do?
Babies.
Let me show you the amount of meat Herreros eat. Look. All this.
That's a lot of meat. That's a lot of meat. Ooh. After the auction, you gotta feed the people. Say hi. Hi. It's so cute. I can't do it. See, what the fuck? She just ran. Find me where the food is at. Where the meat is at, guys, is where you will find me. Oh wait, also I need a drink. Why are you lying? Why are you lying? Apparently don't send your kids abroad to become like me. But I just feel like that's not a valid point. What BS, bruh? What do you mean we fucked it up? Bruh, what are you talking about, bruh? There's a whole speaker. A whole speaker.
Well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my short vlog that was obviously long overdue. And I hope you enjoyed it. So please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will be doing part 2 of RiVeKa auction this weekend. So make sure that you tell your friend to tell a friend to come through to the auction this weekend. See you there.